Okay, guys, we have got a train. Whoa, that horn! Okay, we've got a train here in Berryville. It looks like it is coupling to another train. This engine that is right here, which looks like a new rebuilt AC-44, is going to DPU this train. Sounds like an old CSX SD70. I don't know if it was an SD70 or an SD80 Mac. Sounds like one of those horns. And it's got a pretty loud horn. You can hear it echoing. Are those two bells ringing? Alright. Looks like a new rebuilt AC-44 C6M. Engine again. Yep, it is definitely coupling up to that train. What? Alright, what is this train doing? Alright, I think it's... Alright, why are you making all these noises? There it goes, it's backing up. Unless it's gonna do this. Unless the back part of it is the engine. All of it is gonna back up, everything will go on the other track. Okay, and now it just stopped again. It just stopped again. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video. I don't know what this train is doing. Alright guys, stay tuned to see what this train will do next. Bye.